Hello everyone, and welcome to our video. And in this video, we are going to tell you guys about how to making a young coconut ice. And before we start the video, let us introduce ourselves first. Start from me. My name is Gede Prema Yasa, number absent 5.
And my name is Nengah Tasyani, number absent 32.
And let's start the video. So the first ingredient, we need one young coconut that contains water, and to open it up, we need a kaiju.
And then we need one bowl and one spoon to scrape the young coconut.
The first step, you need to open the young coconut by smashing it with a kaiju. And then the young coconut water we put in the bowl.
And the second step, we wash the young coconut with water. And the third step, scrape the young coconut with spoon.
And then don't forget to grab a knife and break it into small pieces. And the fourth step, we put the ice in the glass, and after that, we fill the glass with young coconut water and display. And so guys, this is how to make a young coconut ice. It's so simple
And delicious.
and thank you for watching the video.
And see you next video.